In this video, I'll show you how to connect to Google Chat inside Pabbly Connect and start sending the messages to your team which is available into the Google Chat space. Okay, so firstly, you will have to search for the Google Chat as an action application inside Pabbly Connect. Then select this Google Chat Hangout application. And the idea here is I have created this appointment booking form into the Google Forms, and as soon as some patient is going to book an appointment, I am going to first capture those appointment details into the Google Forms basically as a response, and then I'm going to share those appointment details with my team over Google Chat space. Well, I have already connected this specific Google form with the Pabbly Connect and have captured the appointment details. Okay, let me show you the response. Here you can see these are the form details. Here the patient has provided the appointment date, that is 31st of January 2023. Here we have the patient's name, the email address, and we even have the patient's appointment booking timing. Okay, and now I am going to share these details, these appointment details with my team. Okay, so firstly you will have to search for you will have to select the action event. Here I am going to select this create message. Now simply click on connect, and I am already logged in into my Gmail account, so that is why it has connected immediately. You can see now the very first thing it will ask you the chat webhook URL. Okay, so here a documentation is also provided which you can read and get the chat webhook URL. Alright, so let me take you to my Google Chat space, and here you can see I have created a space with the name Pabbly Marketing Team. Here you will find a drop down. You will have to click on that arrow, and then you will have to choose this manage webhooks option. Here you will have to provide a random name to your webhook. I am providing the name as New Connection Pabbly. I am providing this particular name. Now it will ask you the avatar URL. So if you will visit that documentation, you will find a link here as a avatar URL. Basically for the avatar URL, you can copy this particular link and paste the same link here exactly. Okay, so I am going to paste the same link as an avatar URL here, and make sure you also delete this extra full stop from the end. Now finally click on save, and this is how the webhook URL will be created. You just need to click on this copy button, and this is how the chat webhook URL will be copied, and now you can paste the same webhook URL here. Now it will ask you to provide the message. So basically which message you would like to share with your team. Well, I have already created a very nice message. Let me copy the very same message and paste it here, and let me first do the correct formatting. Okay, I want that hello team, a new appointment is received. Here are the details, and then I am going to provide the name, the email, the appointment date, and here lastly I am going to share the appointment timing as well with my team. Okay, so firstly I am going to provide the name of the patient. Well, from where I will get this data? Well, I have received the appointment details already as a Google Forms response, and I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the data here in the drop down. So let me search for the name of the person, basically name of the patient. Alright, so here we have the name of the patient as the dummy patient, which I have mapped successfully. Asking for the email address, let me again search for the email address, and I have mapped the email address as well. Lastly, I am going to map the appointment date, which was 31st of January, and let me also map the appointment timing, which was 11 AM. Okay, so this is how you can compose a message and map the details which you want to automatically change when this automation will work in real time. That is why we have mapped these values instead of providing any data manually. Okay, finally I'll be clicking on this button, and you will see how the same message will get sent automatically into the same chat. Okay, so let me show you, and here you can see hello team, a new appointment is received. Here are the details, name, email, appointment date, and appointment time. And yes, it is as simple as that. Firstly, you will have to define a new data source, basically from where you would like to receive the data, and once you have received the data, you will have to select this Google Chat Hangout step as an action step, and once you have connected it, simply provide the webhook URL and compose a nice message, and this is how you can start sending the messages on Google Chat application on Google Chat spaces. Okay, in case you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the shareable link of my workflow into my description box. You just need to click on this link and sign sign up into the Pabbly Connect and the same workflow will be cloned into your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.